In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Canva. Whether you're working on a presentation, an infographic, or any creative project, a touch of highlighted text can make your content pop and direct your audience's attention to important details. Let's dive into the steps you need to make the most out of this feature. Begin your journey by navigating to the Canva design interface. Once you've arrived, your first destination is the top left corner of your screen, where a menu labeled Tools sits waiting for you. This menu serves as the gateway to a host of features within Canva. By clicking on Tools, you'll unlock a variety of graphic elements and text enhancements designed to transform your design into something truly eye-catching. After you've selected Tools, turn your attention to a little pencil icon. This nifty tool symbolizes the editing and customization options available in Canva. When you click on the pencil icon, a cluster of creative possibilities will unfold before you. These tools offer the means to refine your design and infuse it with your own personal flair. As you navigate through the options under the pencil icon, your goal is to find the highlighter tool. Think of it as a digital pen, perfect for placing emphasis on sections of your text. Clicking on the highlighter equips you with the ability to infuse vibrant colors into your text, ideal for highlighting details within your design and making them stand out effortlessly. Highlighting text is where the fun truly begins. To start, locate the section of text you wish to highlight. A pro tip here: holding down the Shift key on your keyboard will ensure that your text remains selected while you apply the highlight. With the Shift key pressed, drag your cursor over the text you want to emphasize. In an instant, your text will be adorned in color, standing vibrant against the backdrop of your design. Keep in mind that the choice of color and the intensity of your highlights can be just as important as the highlight itself. It's wise to consider the color scheme of your entire design so your highlights both complement and stand out within your project. You might choose soft pastels for a subtle emphasis, or go bold with bright neons for a more striking effect. And there you have it, a straightforward method to highlight text in Canva, capable of enlivening your designs with just a few clicks. Feel free to repeat the process if you have multiple sections to highlight. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and styles until you find what best aligns with your creative vision. These simple steps will not only help your Canva projects convey information, but also capture your audience's attention. Each piece of highlighted text will serve as an effective focal point within your design masterpiece. Enjoy creating, and let your creativity truly shine.